Alright, I got this engine. I know someone who wants to put it on a go-kart. So it's a side shaft. I don't know about this because it looks like it was like almost cut through. But they don't know if it runs. I don't know if it runs. And the main reason is because the fuel line is cut. So that's gonna need fixed. There is fuel in it. It doesn't smell like it's bad fuel. So I'm gonna spray some carb cleaner in here and just see if it even runs. We got the choke on, so we'll turn that off. Alright, so the engine will run. Guys, we're gonna have to fix that fuel line, give it some fuel, and see if it'll run off of that. I gotta go find some fuel line, I'll be back. Alright, instead of grabbing a fuel line, because I don't know how I'm gonna get back through there, I just went ahead and put a fuel filter on there. Now, I do remember seeing there was oil in there. I mean, it could be changed. I think they wanted me to change it, I don't remember. Got this on. I'm gonna choke it. It's gonna bounce around a bit, so I'm gonna have to hold it down if it runs, and we'll see what happens. See if it starts. I'll leave it up. Maybe no choke. Carb could also need cleaned. That's possible. I don't know how long this sat either, and I don't know if there was fuel left in it or not. Maybe I turn the choke off, it'll run normal. Alright, I believe the carb's gonna need cleaned. I suppose I'm gonna pinch the fuel line in order to block the fuel. I'm gonna just pinch it over here because it'll be easier. And then we'll take the bowl off and see how it looks. Alright, I got that pinched off. I grabbed a half and a 10 because I don't know what the size is down there. It's probably a half. I'm gonna pull this breather hose out of my way. I'm not even gonna check it. I'm just gonna stick the half on there. And let's see. Yep. Let's see this. This is a jet. Filthy, nasty, and disgusting. Could be the only problem. Not too bad. So let's clean that jet out and see if that fixes our problem. So I got that hole cleared out and this hole cleared out. You can see if I spray in here, it sprays out both sides. There's still a little hole right here. I don't know if that needs cleaned or not. I think that hole is cleared. That's cleared. I am just going to spray through a couple holes in here, make sure these are clear. I might need to get a new bowl ring. Anyways, I don't know if I have this gasket, but let's get the bowl back on and see if she runs. I'll make sure I tighten it down all the way. Not too tight. Now that's back on. I'll put the breather hose back in. Alright, got that back through. Suppose we'll test it, see if it runs. Give it an oil change, and it'll be ready to go. No, it's not the spark plug. I pinched the fuel line off. Now let's try it. Alright, so it might still need something else cleared out in there. I don't see like a jet on the top or anything. I mean, it's got the idle. Alright, I went ahead and pulled that off. Now, I'll be able to, there's another hole down in here that I didn't see before. So maybe it's down in there is clogged. I don't know where that goes. And then this hole right here seemed clear. Oh, there's 2 holes in here. Alright, so there's a couple holes I didn't see. Then I was trying to do this one. Okay, that goes through there. Sorry, I'm gonna get my fat head in the way here. I don't even know if there's a hole in there. Alright, now let's test it. Turn it on. Probably don't need the choke because the carb cleaner's in there. I do suppose I could check the spark plug just to make sure that that's cleaned and it's not all corroded and stuff on the end, because that could also be messing up the spark with it a little bit. Actually, I don't even think the spark plug was in all the way. Oh yeah, it's all black and stuff on the end, so let's clean that up. I just like to take some sandpaper, rub all that off of there. Let me know what kind of tool would be like actually good for this. I don't get like little wire brushes or something, but like sandpaper works. It's just not the, there's something better out there that I don't have. I don't think I have that I could use to clean these. And then I just like to spray all the particles and stuff on out of there. Now we'll put it back in. Tight, not too tight. Put this back on so I don't forget. Now we'll test it, see how it is. Turn it back on. Choke is off. Well, I think the carb's gonna need a little more work, so I'm going to pull it back off and check for some more holes that I haven't seen, and I'll get back to you guys after I do that. Alright, I just went ahead and cleaned the carburetor, just double checked some stuff in there, make sure everything was actually clean. I cleaned up the spark plug and checked the gap. Now I just gotta test it and see if it still runs better, see if it runs better. Oh, hopefully that was worth it. I should have opened it more. Alright, let's see if it'll run better or if I gotta do something else to it. Spark plug's on. It's not set to off. I'll choke it. Oh. Do I still have the fuel line pinch? No. Alright. gonna do like half choke. Ow! Just punch that snowblower. Is there still fuel in it? Yeah. Is the fuel bad? That's full throttle. I'll do low throttle. I need to move a bit. Keep hitting that snowblower. Alright, I'm gonna give it a little boost with some carb cleaner. I wonder if I got the bowl stuck somehow, or the float, and maybe it's not getting fuel. If fuel leaks out of it, then it's getting fuel. No fuel. I'm gonna pinch the fuel line off because fuel will start pouring out. No fuel means the needle is just plugging somehow. I know I blocked the fuel off, but I'm gonna pull this out. Make sure I got it in right. If I can get it out. I can't get this pin out. There we go. Okay, it all came falling out. It has to go on this way. And now I got the pin in and the float is not stuck. I can put the bowl back on. I'm not going to put the bowl all the way on because I want to see if fuel will start leaking out of it. I'll flip it back over. If fuel starts leaking, then it's getting fuel. Oh, getting fuel. Okay, now we'll tighten this back down. Not too tight. We'll put the air tube back through this. Got the hose through. Took me forever because I kept pushing and it would rotate the engine. Alright, let's see if it'll start. I'm not gonna choke it because it shouldn't need it now. Move it so I don't hit my arm on the snowblower. Maybe I should choke it because there was no gas in the carburetor. Alright, I got it on low idle. But it dies. Alright, it runs. It's probably burning oil. It does need an oil change. I didn't do that yet because I need to make sure it still ran. I don't know if it's overfilled or not. But I did just have it tilted a little bit for the carburetor. So that could be all that is, hopefully, because otherwise there's something worse wrong with it if it's burning oil. Otherwise, I guess I can do an oil change on it. Not really. I need to build like a platform I can set these on. Not just like engines like this, but like even just push mowers. There's a way to do oil changes easier. Especially with this one, because the drain plug's right there. What should I grab? Some cardboard to put it on. So it doesn't scuff up everything. I'm just going to stick it on this 2x4 and hope it doesn't move. And see if the smoking will go away. I'm actually point that away from the house. Now, let's see how she runs. was about to be concerned. I didn't push the lever all the way down to shut it off. It is smoking now that I've turned it off. Don't know if that's normal, but it runs. Seems like it runs fine. Of course, I don't have anything to like actually test it other than running it like this. So I do got to put the air filter back on. Oop, I just threw that across everything. And I could probably use a new air filter as well. Let's see, what does the oil look like? Yeah, he's changed. But I guess I'll just run it one more time, make sure it still runs good, and then I'll probably change the oil a different day. Alright, it still runs good. I guess I'll get it off this 2x4 before it falls. It's getting late, 8:40, so I'll do oil change a different day. If thing ever does end up on the go-kart, let me know if you guys want to see it, and subscribe if you haven't seen my next video. Go check out my next video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.